Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back here. This is the new sneakers for new colorway of Yeezy Boost 380, and this one is the Onyx. So this is the mostly is the black color on upper, and this is the new colorway ready to ship. If you want to copy this one, please check on my web link pureshop.ru. And for Yeezy 3.8, for the upper, also is the primate technology. So for the material, it's very comfortable, and also the bottom with the boost. So the whole pair very comfortable. And this one is the little darker color. So maybe some customers want the lighter color like the avian blue, old purple, and this one is the black one. For myself, I think for black always very good, easy to match clothes, and also easy to match to clean. Okay, so you can check out the color on upper with the purple, black, and the gray colors mixed together, so you can have color select and got the plastic strap here. And mostly the details same as other Yeezy 3.8, just the color is different. And got the transparent black midsole here. Outside this is the rubber, inside got the white boost. And about the inner side, so got the same. Maybe just the pattern is different, but for the colors, it's the same. And this one is the tag. And check out the bottom. This is the bottom, and the white boost. The whole piece is very good. And check out the front. You can take the surface. This is the shape, and the middle stitching go through the shoe arm, a black shoelace. And about the back side, so this is the shape of Yeezy 3.8. And then let me show the other one. So got the same. You can have a quick look. Check out the whole pair. So what do you think with this color? Copper or drop? You can comment below. And if you want to copy this one, please check on my web link. This one got another extra shoelace, also it's the black one, and got the back here. And about the shoe base, you can look at this is the shoe base, brown shoe base on the top, got 3.8, and the boost on the side here, and then this is the size label, US size label. Okay. So this is the review of this one today. So thanks for seeing you next time. Bye bye.